This looks like a normal PDF file, but when I try to click on text, nothing happens. I cannot select anything, I cannot edit it, I cannot even search for a word inside the document. It feels completely locked. That's because this is a scanned PDF. In this video, I'll show you how to properly edit text inside a scanned PDF on Windows and turn it into a fully editable document. Scanned PDFs are basically images of documents. Even though you can see the text clearly, the computer does not recognize it as a real text. Many people try online OCR tools to solve this, but most online tools require uploading your file to their servers. If your document contains contracts, business reports, ID copies, or confidential information, uploading it online may not be the safest option. So instead, we'll use an offline tool called Sysweak PDF Editor on Windows. You can download it from the link given in the description. It performs OCR directly on your computer, so your file stays on your system. Open Sysweak PDF Editor and go to the OCR tab. Click on Perform OCR. You'll see two options, OCR from PDF and OCR from image. Click on OCR from PDF. Now select your scanned PDF file and open it. As you can see, at this point, the text is still not selectable. Click on Perform OCR again. Choose the page range you want to process. Next, choose whether you want the output to be searchable, so you can search and highlight text, or editable, so you can modify the text directly. To edit the text, select Editable. Now choose the recognition language, adjust the output settings if needed, then click on Perform OCR. The software will now process the document. Once the process is complete, the scanned PDF becomes fully editable. A new PDF opens automatically, and you'll immediately see text boxes around all the text. The PDF is editable, so you can simply click on any word or sentence and start editing it right away. The text is now selectable, searchable, and editable just like a normal PDF. You can modify existing text directly. You can also adjust formatting, change font size, change color, or reposition text if needed. If you want to add a new text, click on Add Text, place a new text box anywhere on the page, and type whatever information you want to insert. Now this scanned document is no longer just an image. It has become a fully functional editable PDF. And all of this happened directly on your PC without uploading the file anywhere. So this is how you can properly edit text inside a scanned PDF on Windows. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.